Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video, I still work on my G35. So today's video, I have the roof leak water. So first time I buy the car has some leak and the car smell like mold and stuff like that. So today's video, I decided to fix this issue because as soon as it gets rain, because especially I live in Florida, so it's time for rain now, summertime. So I have to fix this issue because it's really ridiculous how the car smell. And now I decided to fix the problem. It's easy to fix it. Just always be lazy. So today I show you how to fix that and where's the water place supposed to be removed. That. Stay with me, guys. Okay, guys. So my car is here. So I open the roof on the top, and I clean up here on the sides and all the side the edges. Make sure there's no dirt. I found a lot of dirty stuff. So for the interior car, there is it's supposed to be when the rain, when the water go inside here, there is some throw, the water is supposed to be moved. So for the driver's side doesn't have one. For the passenger side, there is a place here. You can see on the camera, one second, see. Is right there. Way there in the corner. Way there in the corner right there. So we have to get a blow air and blow that side to remove any, if there is any leaves or anything there, block the water go down. And this is how you see the water here. This is how you know the water pass. So we're gonna blow on that side and make sure to remove the any line blown up. We're gonna blow inside. Stay with me. So we go, guys. We got the blown line, and we gotta blow the sides here. In the corner right there. Okay, we're gonna blow side. There we go. So now we're gonna take a bottle of water, drop some water, and see if the water gonna be stay down or not. Stay tuned. A cup of water. So we're gonna do, we're gonna drop a little bit on the corner. Make sure the water goes where it's supposed to be go. Here we go. The water go away. So I mean that work. You see what the water goes underneath. Yep. Here we go, guys. See the water? So we clean the line. So let's put some more water. Any dirts there, you go with the water. Here we go. Here we go, guys. See the water. That's good. And there is another one on the driver's side. I didn't see it. So it's right there. You see it? It's right there. So I have to blow on it too. Same process. That's the hose. Okay, you got the hose here. And we're gonna blow on it. Right there in the corner. Okay, let's test up again. So we got another cup of water. The same thing for the driver's side. We're gonna put some water on the sides here, and we see the water go down or not. Great opportunity to do this process. Here we go. Water, believe. Here we go. The water start to go down. So we fix the issue. Easy guys to fix it. All I have to do, I have to blow on the line both sides, and the water gonna start go on the bottom. And also, if water go inside your car a lot, so we have to do to remove the humidity and the mold. So go to Walmart and buy one of the bags, this one here, to remove the mold. This one, if any water go inside your car, this one gonna help to remove everything. So after you finish everything, go to Walmart and pick up one of this bag. This one you gotta remove water, moisture, and any humidity on your car. And this is good stay on the car, and because with the leak for the roof, so pretty much there's a lot of water inside the car, especially when it stay like closed. Sometimes the window gets no, you cannot see when you drive. So this one you gotta resolve all these problems. So yeah, this is what I have in here in my car, and there is some water start moving now. Yeah, easy job guys. Okay guys, you see easy how to do the job. Just blow the air there and get something to remove the water from the inside the car, and easy to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See ya.